Welcome to this introduction to educational video production. I'm Sergio Martin, I'm a professor at UNED, and I'm going to give you an overview of how to record educational video lectures. We will see different kind of approaches, and also we will give you some guidelines to record good video lectures. Well, in first place, the method that we proposed to record the video lectures are screencasts. The screencast screencasting offers educators a quick and easy way to produce show and tell style videos, great for explaining and illustrating a range of subjects. We are going to propose two different models for video lectures. The first one is PowerPoint based presentations, which is the easiest way of doing presentation, and in this video, for example, is done using this model. And the second model is based on screencasting, just the use of a website or the use of a tool or anything in your computer. Well, starting with the PowerPoint based video lectures, you only need to record these videos, you only need to have a computer with an editing software to make a screencast, such as, for example, Camtasia or ScreenFlow. You also need a microphone, and this kind of presentations are very good for theory. I mean, if you don't have to use any tool or access any website or whatever, this is very good option to record your video lectures. We can see here an example of what I'm talking about.
Hi everyone, I'm Rosie Redfield. I teach an online course called Useful Genetics through Coursera in the University of British Columbia. And this is a very short video about how I record my very short videos. So first, why did I choose to make my own videos? UBC has a very polished professional work.
Well, you can see the kind of presentation of this teacher is just a PowerPoint presentation with her face during the presentation, and it's very informal, and it's like you and I are talking in the same table in my office. So this is one way of creating the video lectures, a PowerPoint based video lectures. And the second model is a screencast your screen. Whatever happened in your screen, you can record it. The technology involved is the same. You only need a computer with an editing software such as Camtasia and a microphone. And in this case, these kind of video lectures are very good for practice, to show how to code, how to configure a tool, how to navigate through websites, etc. You can use anything in your computer and everything will be recorded. Well, and now we are going to give you some guidelines for creating good screencasts, video lectures. The first one is that we recommend you to clean up your desktop. Remove your icons, applications, background, etc. To avoid any possible distraction. The second one is that you should write a script to ensure that your video includes everything you want and your language is exact and concise. You can see here an example of a script. You can see in this column that we have the action that you are doing on the screen, and in the next column you can see what you are saying during this action, so that you say exactly what you want to say and you do exactly what you want to do. The step 3 is do a practice run. If you are using any tool or website, we recommend you to practice first so you don't get unexpected results. And don't hesitate, do it right or record it again, no problem. The step 4 is to record the best possible audio. We recommend you to use an USB microphone. I Personally, I use this one, the blue snowball, and of course you have to be very aware of your surroundings. I mean, to avoid people getting in your office or any other sound in your office. And the step 5 is that you can include yourself in the video, your face, like a complement to support what you are saying in the PowerPoint presentation. But we recommend you to not include it all the time. It gets boring. So our suggestion is to include yourself just at the beginning and at the end of the video lecture. And that's all. Thank you for watching.